So today I'm going to show you how to remove a tile from a backsplash without ruining your wall. And this is what I have been doing. I looked on YouTube, I could not find any good videos on how to remove it. So this is what has been happening. I found a technique that works a lot better. So I'm going to show you how to do it now. So safety glasses. And I'm using a really little screwdriver here. So I just put it in the grout right here and just use a hammer. And then I do one up here too. And the tile just kind of pops out. And see, the back is a lot better there. So that's a better technique if you're looking for a way to remove your tile, your backsplash.